Oh, oh god. Why am I in the corner? This is gonna be epic. It's like Resident Evil for babies or Silent Hill for babies. So we're playing Piglet's Big Game. For those who don't know, this is like a meme right now where everyone is comparing it to Resident Evil, Silent Hill, all those games basically. And yeah, so I actually played this when I was a kid. I very much enjoyed it, but now we're gonna play it for the memes, for the lulz, and just all that good stuff. I'm nervous, but I think we'll have fun. Silly little gamers. Yo, it's me! Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. look at me go. Ooh, killing him. Awesome. But, my name is... Van. Like, oh my god. Oops. For context, I'm playing on an Xbox controller, so like the control of the Van B. I'll do it for you, Avens. I'll do it for you. Van B. Okay. Van B. We get into it, gamers. Ooh. Ooh. Awesome. So, basically, we're gonna enter their dreams. It's gonna be like dream drop distance. I don't know. I haven't played this since I was like 4. I didn't mean to do that. I think you can like beat up stuff. Yeah! Cookies, bro! Can I kick this? Yeah! We going. Marching along. From what I've heard, or from what I've remembered, if you take damage, the like loading screen changes, but I don't remember what it changes to exactly, so we'll find out. I'm waiting for this game to get like really, really scary, and then piss my jorts or something.
And it would be so bothersome if we both got stuck, don't you think?
Oh, but Pooh, how did you get stuck in the caramel?
Well,
That does not look like caramel, I'm just saying.
I thought a stick might be useful.
A steak? Can I... No? A stick. Where am I gonna get a stick? Oh. That was not there before.
Piglet thought the lollipop stick might be quite...
That should have not been funny. That was a little funny. Who breps? It's canon. I agree.
Have you found us anything such as a stick yet, Piglet?
I'll stick it to you.
Have you found us anything such as a stick yet, Piglet?
I did I not pick it up? Oh. My fault. It's stick time.
Hang on, Pooh. I'll do my best.
He just skewers him. When does it get creepy, bro?
Try not to get scared. Scariest story. It was late at night and there was a shirt in corner that scared me. The closer I look at shirt, I realize it wasn't a shirt. It was Larry. Oh God.
This is the height difference between me and Avens, for real. Like, if you take the top of like Piglet's ear to like Winnie the Pooh, that's like the height difference between me and Avens. Probably. It's been a moment.
You know, there may be half lumps in there. I suppose perhaps you should...
Whoa, Pooh, you can't say that. That's a slur.
Half lumps.
Piglet, you can't say that either. Don't say... Oh. Avens, on a day-to-day basis, how much honey do you consume in a week? I need to know the statistics of this.
I'm at the
Don't follow me. What is this? Whoa, he really did him like that. What? Huh? Is that how combat works in this game? Is that how combat works? I really just stuck my tongue out at someone and they shriveled. I wish I had that power IRL, man.
Where then do you think I might find some more? If it's not too much trouble, that is.
More, honey? Well, there is some next to the beehive. Oh, but it's quite dangerous, Piglet. The bees won't let you near their honey unless you find some way to get them away from their beehive.
Oh, just watch me. Watch me. I got you. Do you think if I spray water, bees will come? I have no idea where these bees are, but we'll look around for them. Are you over here, Mr. Bees? I do not know where the bees are. No, but seriously, where is this honey? Do I need to keep walking? Okay, I do keep walking. That's what happens. Oh. Oh, it was right there. Oh.
We got a real goober over here, boys!
Epic, button? Oh, wait, that's kind of wholesome. What? What was that? That's just me when I'm like gambling. Not that I've gambled. Piglet? Piglet, what you doing? No! He turns around! He turns around! BX. Yeah, that's right. Oh, goody heavens. Man, fighting enemies in this game is weird. Not that I'm complaining. I think the argument that this game is edge of sleep is not accurate anymore.
And that's exactly what he dreamt about.
Oh, I always loved the mama kangaroo as a kid.
Piglet, dear.
Hello, Mrs. King.
Oh, I have to get all the
Haven't
cookies.
seen my little
Darn.
Boo, have you? I don't know where he's gotten off to.
No, I'm sorry, but I haven't seen him.
We'll
Oh,
get
would
all
you
the
do me a
cookies
favor and
eventually.
find him for me? He has to clean up his room, you know.
I'll do my best, Mrs. Kanga.
At the moment, we're just playing through, experiencing the horrors of this game. So I think I'm helping him clean his room. I think my attention span is a little small. I'm gonna be real with you guys. Is that a heffalump?
Ah,
Dude, he's actually not. There's two. Oh no. Combat is gonna be scary. All it takes is one single little, and then you scare him off. It's crazy. What sort of face are we gonna unlock today? Oh, look at him go. The only wholesome thing in this game. Just putting these in. Whoa. Okay. Piglet, why are you rubbing your hands together? He's about to make a name for himself. He's got nefarious ideas. Oh yeah. Dude, he's waddling so adorably. I don't know what to tell you. I know. The way he walks is just so goofy, man. Look at him. Ooh! Killing him. Ooh! Killing him. Ooh. Dude, it's just how I walk, man. Can we just have a moment to appreciate this chomping? Hi, Kinga.
Have you finally found Rue, Piglet?
Yes, Kanga, I have. He's in his playroom, but he's locked himself in and can't get out. Do you have the key?
Oh dear. Now I'm sure I've seen that key someplace around the house. Oh, goodness, will you look at this mess? Rue has left his cookies just everywhere. Piglet, be a dear and gather them up while I look for the key.
Oh, I'd be happy to. I like being helpful.
I like being helpful. He's such a silly little guy. I don't know how far we're gonna get into this game, but probably decently far. I unfortunately don't have a life. But an attention span, I don't know what to tell you. Can I like glue the door shut? Would that be goofy? It's like, where do I go at this point? Oh wait, maybe I can talk to Rue.
Piglet, did you get the key?
No. I don't know where the key is. Yo, Kanga. Yeah, I need more updates.
I haven't found the key yet, Piglet. Goodness, there are just so many cookies. Why don't you keep gathering them up while I continue searching for the key?
That doesn't make me feel better. Please tell me this is enough.
I haven't found the key yet, Piglet.
What?
Goodness, there are just so many cookies.
What do you mean? I'll just kick everything in sight. Call that the genocide run. It kicks everything. I love bread. As a kid, I distinctly remember just like going into the kitchen and not making myself like a meal or anything, but I would just grab bread and pretend like I was a peasant in like the 1700s looking for a meal on the street, and I'd be like, "Oh yes, bread. I love bread. Bread makes me so happy and so yummy." Sorry, I accidentally muted myself. You can buy a face. Let's go. Man, he's so silly.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a
Oh, that's the one I've seen. Piglet. Piglet is getting an arsenal of things to use as like dubious deeds. I don't know. I guess I'm just a hater, a glue hater.
You sure are good at that, Piglet. Now you can fix the ladder for Rue.
Yes, and I'll be able to get his ball.
I thought he was gonna say something else. But yeah, I missed you, newbie. I hope you're doing well. I miss everyone, honestly. I miss everyone in this chat right now. I missed you too, Avenge. I appreciate it though, thanks, dog. I'm just a shilly. Okay, that one goes crazy. The Glug Glug 3000. Maybe. I'm scared for what awaits me. Okay, no, this is literally just Silent Hill. This is actually Resident Evil. This is actually a horror game. I'm scared. I'm so scared. And then I think I can make it sneeze. Yeah. Or am I just cleaning it? Kiki! Hi Kiki, what's good? Okay. Hold on, guys. This is important. My cat is here. Hey! Hey. Hi. What's going on? Are you okay? Are you okay? Hello, Shelly. Hello, Shelly. Did you want to come join the stream? Did you just wake up? Oh, you're big Shelly. Hey, don't scratch your ear. Be gentle. You want to watch me play? We're gonna have fun, okay? Wait, why are you actually watching? Sorry, gamers. I know. I need to. Come here. Yeah, Shavenge. You can totally have the VODs. And Avens, if you're interested, I would even be willing to pay you. If you want to edit it and stuff, I'll pay you for edits and whatnot. Just name your price and we can work that out.
¿Quieres?
Yeah. I would give you I would give you payment if you want payment. Just be like, here you go. Final Fantasy and Overwatch. Oh my god, it's Ghost. Hi Ghost. Hope you're doing well tonight. Okay, game is loading for a while. I don't know why it's loading forever, but we ball, I guess. Why is this taking so long? In my restless dreams, I see those woods. The 100 Acre Woods. You promised you'd take me there again someday. But you never did. I'm alone there now. In our special place. Oh, bother.